Now I'm going to show you an activity so that you can understand the difference between a contact force and a non-contact force. First, the muscular force. The muscular force is the force which is due to the action of muscles in our body. So, to lift books, we need muscular force. We need muscular force to lift the bag. You need muscular force to lift a box, to write and to read. Even to run, you need muscular force. Frictional force is the force which is created when two objects rub against each other. For example, when I rub my palms, frictional force is created. The palms rub against the surface of the palm rub against each other. Now I have a box with me. I try to move this box on a surface like this or in this direction. So the frictional force is the force which is opposing the movement of the box on either side. Electrostatic force. For this, you take a comb or a small plastic ruler and tiny bits of paper. You rub the comb against your hair or the ruler against your hair and bring it close to these bits of paper. When you bring the comb close to the bits of paper, electrostatic force is generated and you can see the bits of paper, they stick to the ruler because of the charge that is being produced by the rubbing of the ruler or the comb on your hair. Mechanical force is the force exerted by machines. It works only with the help of energy that is supplied to the machine. For example, electricity, petrol or diesel. Like I have a toy car with me. Imagine this to be a proper car. The engine of a vehicle only runs with the help of a fuel and it makes the car move. I have with me a magnet and some iron filings. Magnets exert a magnetic force, and this magnetic force is an example of action at a distance force or a non-contact force. When I bring this magnet near the iron filings, you will see that even when the magnet is not touching the iron filings, they are getting attracted to the magnet because of the magnetic force exerted by the magnet. Look again. You can see even from a distance how the iron filings are pulled up to the magnet due to the magnetic force exerted by the magnet.